Deep inside a highly secure American facility, the production of U.S. currency begins under extraordinary levels of security. Unlike ordinary paper, currency paper uses a specialized cotton-based material. It is designed for durability. During production, important security features are incorporated into the material before a single bill is printed. Specialized inks are prepared next, creating the precise colors and visual details required for American currency. Now the blank sheets enter powerful precision presses, where the familiar appearance of American money begins to emerge. Layer by layer, incredibly fine details are added, creating the complex artwork that makes every note recognizable. More intricate patterns are added, building the detailed appearance and distinctive visual character of every note. Under extreme precision, fine lines and detailed artwork create layers of complexity that are difficult to reproduce. Identification details are added next, giving each finished note its own place within the currency system. Advanced inspection systems examine the printed sheets, checking thousands of details for consistency and quality. Every sheet passes through strict quality control before it can move any further through production. If a sheet fails inspection, automated systems separate it, while approved sheets continue toward cutting and finishing. Once approved, the large printed sheets are precisely aligned and prepared to become individual currency notes. Precision cutting transforms the large sheets into individual notes, each separated with remarkable consistency. After cutting, the individual notes are counted, organized, and checked once again before final packaging. Approved notes are bundled and securely prepared for the next stage of their journey into circulation. From the production facility, finished currency enters a tightly controlled distribution network for delivery into circulation.
From paper to currency, precision makes it possible. If you enjoyed the journey, like, share, and subscribe for more.